This walkthrough will guide you through every step of the event creation wizard so you understand not just what to enter, but why each step matters. Step 1 defines the foundation of the event: what it is, who it's for, and how it will be delivered. This information drives every recommendation that follows. By establishing the scope, you enable smart defaults and set the reporting logic right from the start. Next, assign ownership and approval authority. This step ensures accountability and eliminates approval confusion before planning even begins. By defining roles, you prevent delays, enable proper governance, and create a clear audit trail for every decision. Here, you define what success looks like. By setting objectives and measurable outcomes early, post-event reporting becomes clear and defensible. This crucial step is what enables accurate ROI measurement and aligns leadership expectations from Day 1. This step sets financial boundaries, budget caps, approval thresholds, and alerts protect your spend and ensure financial discipline throughout the event lifecycle. This proactive approach prevents overspending and builds trust with your CFO. Define key dates, approval deadlines, and decision cutoffs. This step reduces last-minute pressure and helps you avoid premium pricing on venues and vendors. It's all about reducing risk and improving outcomes with your partners. Specify preferred locations and travel patterns. This allows the system to recommend venues and logistics that minimize friction and cost for everyone involved. The goal is to optimize logistics and, most importantly, improve the attendee experience. This step defines the event experience: meeting formats, session types, and technology needs. Getting this right prevents technical issues on the day of the event and ensures the physical space is perfectly aligned with your purpose. Decide how vendors are selected, whether through preferred partners or competitive sourcing, while enforcing your company's procurement rules. This ensures compliance with internal policies and gives you control over vendor risk. Plan for disruption. This step documents your contingency strategies, cancellation policies, and fallback options so you're prepared for the unexpected. This protects your brand's reputation and increases executive confidence in your planning. Confirm alignment with travel, procurement, legal, and data policies before any commitments are made. This step is critical for enterprise adoption and reduces legal friction down the line, ensuring a smooth process. Apply sustainability and accessibility standards. Supporting your company's ESG goals and promoting inclusive participation for all attendees. This meets modern enterprise standards and significantly improves your brand's reputation. Control who can see what. This step protects sensitive information and enforces privacy requirements by applying role-based access controls across the event. It's all about ensuring confidentiality and maintaining the trust of your attendees and stakeholders. Before launch, the system reviews everything, flagging risks, identifying gaps, and recommending improvements. This intelligent check prevents costly mistakes and adds a layer of AI-driven expertise before you go live. Optional enhancements are offered only if they're actually needed, such as concierge planning, advanced analytics, or specialized ESG reporting. This adds flexibility and supports your growth without any pressure to buy things you don't need. Finally, save the event as a reusable template and launch your live event dashboard. This simple action enables repeatability for future events and drives long-term efficiency across your entire team. The wizard is complete. Your event is now governed, tracked, and repeatable. The wizard is the system, and the dashboard is the outcome. Start your next event with confidence.